Feel the passion and feel the speed. Leave everything on the track because every move counts. Focus. It's all in your mind. And don't forget, he who dares wins. Let battle commence! Maverick Vinales, the 22-year-old Spaniard, wins here in Qatar. Maverick Vinales wins. Oh, Vinales has crashed out. Marc Marquez, 5 out of 5 here in Texas. And the winner, Dani Pedrosa here in Jerez.
Zarco leads the French Grand Prix.
Rossi's down! Rossi down and okay. Maverick Vinales will win the French Grand Prix. Dovizioso wins the Italian Grand Prix.
What a moment, Dovizioso in dreamland.
2 in a row. He is a big championship contender.
Vinales has crashed.
Valentino Rossi wins here in Assen. Marc Marquez wins here in the Saxon Ring, the new leader of the 2017. Marquez is coming in. Marc Marquez wins here in an absolutely masterclass of riding and tactics.
Marquez, they almost done. Dovizioso's going to win here in Austria.
Dovizioso has done it.
Oh, disaster for Marquez. Dovizioso surely is going to win a classic Battle of Britain here at Silverstone. Unbelievable by Marc Marquez.
Marc Marquez will take the checkered flag.
Wow, Marquez on the inside of Dovizioso. Dovizioso, he's attacking up the inside of Marc Marquez. Marquez comes through at the final corner. Is he going to run wide? Is history repeating itself like in Austria?
Marquez wins a magnificent race here in Australia. Andrea Dovizioso wins his 6th Grand Prix victory of the season. This is MotoGP.